Did you know some of the most toxic ingredients are hiding in your food? They cause inflammation, weight gain, and serious health risks. Yet, they are in almost every processed product. Are you unknowingly eating them? Welcome to Bloom Health Haven. Today, we reveal the most dangerous foods you should never eat. Some seem harmless, but they silently damage your body. Let's break them down one by one. Processed foods are everywhere. They are cheap, addictive, and convenient, but they contain preservatives, artificial flavors, and synthetic chemicals. These ingredients increase the risk of obesity, diabetes, and chronic disease. Manufacturers focus on profit, not your health. Ultra-processed foods contain low-quality proteins. Many protein bars and shakes are filled with artificial additives, sugar alcohols, and hydrogenated oils. These damage the gut and spike blood sugar. Your body struggles to digest them properly. Instead of fueling your body, they weaken it. Starch and sugar are silent destroyers. Most packaged foods are loaded with refined carbs and added sugars. They cause insulin resistance, cravings, and energy crashes. Even whole grain labels can be misleading. Over time, these foods contribute to metabolic disorders and inflammation. Seed oils are one of the worst offenders. Oils like canola, soybean, and corn oil are highly processed. They contain excess omega-6 fatty acids, which trigger chronic inflammation. Studies link them to heart disease, hormonal imbalances, and obesity. Fast food, dressings, and packaged snacks are full of them. These toxic ingredients are in almost everything, but you have the power to avoid them. Read labels carefully. Choose whole, unprocessed foods. Protect your health by making better choices today. What toxic food do you avoid the most? Drop a comment below. For more shocking food facts, check out my next video. Stay informed, stay healthy.